Okay, so we're going to make a mint julep here real quick. Only ingredients we're going to need is some fresh mint, some simple syrup, delicious Woodford Reserve Double Oaked Bourbon, and crushed ice. So we're going to start with our mint. To give it a little bit of a wake up, we're just going to smack it in our hand here like this. It really awakens the scent and the flavor of the mint. I'm going to put in 10 mint leaves. I'm going to drop those straight into the cup. So we get our mint in there. I'm going to add 1 ounce of simple syrup. And I'm going to muddle that mint into the syrup. So that's going to really bring the mint flavor into the syrup, and it's going to really give our cocktail that minty flavor that we're looking for. Okay, so we've got that. Then we're going to use Woodford Double Oaked. Now, you can use any kind of bourbon that you want. Woodford Reserve, just regular Woodford Reserve, is fantastic in it. I like the oaky flavor. I like the double oaked in my mint juleps, but any good bourbon will work. Since this cocktail is really just mint, syrup, bourbon, and ice, it's a strong cocktail. I'm using 3 ounces of bourbon in this, but use what you want in terms of how strong you want your drink to be. But you may need to adjust your drink size if you're going to go with a little bit less bourbon there. I'm going to add a little bit of crushed ice and give that a good stir. Today I'm just using crushed ice from my refrigerator, but buying like some crushed ice from Sonic works great for these. We're just going to give that a good stir there. That ice is going to help dilute the cocktail a little bit with some water. And then I'm just going to fill this up the rest of the way with crushed ice. And then we're going to let that sit there. It'll actually frost the glass up pretty well. And then we're going to garnish it with a mint sprig. And there you have the Classic Mint Julep.